Number one thing you have to know is that person you are seeing in the dream, that you are referring as you are seeing yourself, is the person representing the spiritual realm that is trying to pass a message to you. What he or she is passing through in the spiritual realm, what he or she was present when they discussed that is about to happen in your life. That is the person you are seeing in the dream. He or she is trying to pass a message to you through dream. What is your meaning? What is the meaning of your dreams? Why do you see some certain things in the dream? Let me tell you. Some people can say that they dreamed. They used to dream, but they don't used to remember their dreams. Why do they used to dream, but they cannot remember their dreams? An average awake somebody in the spiritual realm supposed to be dreaming every night. Every night you are resting. You're supposed to travel to the spiritual realm to know what is waiting for you in the future, to know what is waiting for you in the present, to know the things you are going to claim and the things you are going to cancel. Because no man or woman can live without problem. Problem will keep on occurring in your life as long as you are breathing. So if you are enjoying, if you are gallivanting, if you are jubilating that you don't used to remember your dream, or you don't used to dream, so you have nothing to fear, I am not telling you that your life is in danger. If you are not being worried because you don't used to remember your dream, because people used to say that they have a nightmare, and you are now enjoying, you are not telling them, oh, I thank God, I don't used to dream. Oh, your life is in danger because you don't used to dream. You are blind in the spiritual realm, and something is wrong with you.